Supertrend, RSI, and MACD are three of the most popular indicators, but they serve very different purposes. Supertrend is a pure trend following tool. It uses ATR, or average true range, to adapt to market volatility. When price is above the line, it signals an uptrend, below it, a downtrend. It's simple and visual. But in sideways markets, it can flip back and forth, giving false signals. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, measures momentum in overbought or oversold conditions. Readings above 70 suggest potential overbought areas, while below 30 to oversold zones. RSI works best for spotting reversals or confirming trend strength, but in strong trending markets, it can stay overbought or oversold for a long time, trapping traders who expect quick reversals. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence/Divergence, blends trend and momentum. It uses a fast and slow EMA plus a signal line, with crossovers and histogram shifts showing changes in momentum. MACD is more forgiving than RSI in trending markets, but can lag on fast moves. Bottom line is, use Supertrend to identify it, the trend that is, add RSI for overbought or oversold context, and layer in MACD for confirmation of momentum shifts. Together, they give a clearer picture than using one alone. Which combo do you trade with? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.